Welcome to another Doodle Duel. I'm Miss V.
And I'm Miss C.
Today, we will be making our video just a little different. This time, we are doing a collaborative project to show something we can do during our quarantine summer.
We will draw two different people in their own homes enjoying a lovely picnic together through a video call. We drew on half of a canvas to show the two characters side by side even if they may be in different places.
Miss C sent me her preliminary sketch so I could collaborate on the second half. A collab, or collaboration, is an art piece that people work on together. Using her base for the rug and background, I get an idea of how to mirror the room on my side of the image, as well as seeing how big to make my characters so they are relatively the same size.
In my drawing, I have a girl sitting cross-legged on the floor with a cup of water and spaghetti by her side. I also added objects in the background to help fill in empty space to make the image look more complete. It was a lot of fun experimenting ways to make this a collaborative piece with Miss V because we get to figure out how some things can still look connected even though the objects are completely different. For example, I have a pink picnic blanket and a bookcase on my side of the drawing while Miss V has a closet and a rug on her side. Both are completely different but look the same through shapes.
After adding my character and connecting the bookcase to my closet and adding special elements, I begin coloring my piece. Because there are a lot of things in this picture, I create a layer that I test out colors with to see if they mesh well. After finding the color I like, I fill in the background first, then foreground items and the character. I also create a textile pattern for the rug.
When I was coloring this piece, I wanted to keep it in warm undertones, so I focused the color with warmer hues like red, pink, and brown. Since Miss V was using more cool colors for her piece, I wanted to push the idea that they were in two separate places by having the color scheme look completely different from each other.
Once everything is colored, I use a multiply layer with a mid-tone gray and use that as a dark shadow that is created by the window. It is a backlight, so I make sure to create bounce light and reflected light on the edges. The gray ended up being just a bit too dark, so I reduced the opacity of the layer so you can see the character better.
Alright, we're finished. Let's combine them and see how they look. Wow, Miss V, it looks so cool to see both of our art together. I had a fun time working on this project with you.
Miss C, I love the warm color palette you ended up choosing for your art. Despite seeing your sketch, it's still a happy surprise with what choices you've made.
Which side did you guys like the most?
Let us know.
You can also make collaborative work with your friends and share it with us by having your parents submit your art to us at media@teenprimetime.org. Please include the project title, student's first name, grade, and school. The selected artwork will be highlighted on Teen Primetime's website and YouTube page. We hope you guys had a fun time watching how we worked together to make this project.
Have a great summer and we'll see you guys next time. But before we go,
Keep